Today we want to talk about cordless equipment. Cordless equipment, people, is really cutting your effort to a minimum. The purpose of cordless is to work away from a power source and also to eliminate the purpose of requiring an extension lead for any one of your electrical equipment. The equipment that we will be showing today can be found in corded versions, but cordless is what we want to do today. Safe and for all your DIY projects that we want to refer you to. Starting off is a cordless piece of equipment is normally brands we use is Makita. It's operated by a normal 16 volt, 18 volt battery. And if you look at the battery, it's got a starter there, and if by pushing that button, it will tell you whether there's how much load there's in the battery. So always check your load of your battery. Got a good slip in position, nice and easy, very light. And this, what I want to show you today, is a hedge trimmer to trimming all your hedges at home. People, a woman can even use this, and this is why we have it for the DIY market. It's very safe. That's a protection lever that should your hand slip off it, your hand would be protected from the cutting blades. The rule is for this, please, no wires, nothing of metal in this. If this blade cuts any metal, it will be broken. So safety version that side, locking device this side, as easy as that. Using your hedge trimmer to trim all those hedges into squares around your house. The other product, oh yes, with every hire, we send out 2 batteries as well as a charger, a single charger. So in your pack, you will find a charger. There will be 2 batteries in here, one in the machine, one in the charge, to be used at all times. Going further, I would like to explain to you the chainsaw. This is a little mean impact machine. This cordless chainsaw operates on 2 batteries, the same as that one. And the battery's load, you can also check the load of the battery by checking the indicator on that side or individually on the batteries. This machines we advise to use not on an excess of 250 millimeter branches, but that is fairly big trees to that size to use this. This is safe. It comes with chain lube filled into that container. It does not require any fuel. It's safe for anybody to use, whether you're 70 years of age or whether you're a total uneducated person. Just understand that this is a very dangerous piece of equipment. It will rip your flesh off your body. Also got a clutch in there, and the clutch is there to protect your hand from slipping off. And typically, you would start by using this chainsaw by applying the batteries, filling it with oil. Always make sure there's oil in with every charge. Make sure that you refill the oil container as well. With every hire, you will get chain lube in a liter. You'll get a battery charging bank with 4 batteries in there as well. Using this machine, as I've explained to you, safety, pull this one back. That's the safety figure. And by just purely switching it on to that one, switching on, you've got a fully operated chainsaw. No hassle, no starting problems, no pre-fuel mix. Up to 250 millimeter for every branch, every tree required cutting in your garden, you can use this with safety. No palm trees, please. Palm trees does not, this uses oil, lubricant into it, which palm trees dissolves off, which is very high strain on the cutting bar as well as the chain of this machine. Okay, cordless chainsaw, sorry. What we also have is a cordless grass trimmer, and that is to cut the edges. So also uses 2 batteries that slips onto the back, the same as the chainsaw. And that is a safe option to use into small cutting areas, typically into your complexes where you don't want fuel, contamination of fuel or 2-stroke noise. You could use any one of these for your DIY project at home. Enjoy, be safe, and come and see us or visit us at 267 Main Road Straight. Thank you so much.